Hi, once again. Let's continue for the part 3. So, now we will copy this one, your code. This will be your upline. Copy here. This the sponsor. We'll make this one the sponsor. Now, account number 2. And then the sponsor and the upline also. Which would you like to put? Okay. This one, click register. After that, here, add to my existing account. Next, then the sponsor, the upline. The upline is this one. The upline is where would you connect. Then the right side, right? Here is the right side. Right side. Right side in the because there's already in the left. Right side in here. Then the sponsor. Here's the also the sponsor. After that, we just input here your new account. New account. So just check here. This one already finished. Then this will be the next. PG 478715. PG 475715. PG 475715. Right? Oh, PG 478715. Then this one JNC 8MX. The security pin JNC NC 8MX 1 RYL. JNC8. Check. Oh, JNC8. What it will written here, just follow. If it's small, small. Big letter, big letter. Numbers, right? Okay, this one. JNC8MX. JNC8MX 1RYL. 1RYL. Then after that, the right portion, right? The sponsor, the upline, and then in the right side, then generate heads. After that, proceed. Account will be registered on account number 1 will be registered under sponsor. This one is your this one the second your second account, the sponsor, and you will be placed on the right below your upline Robopo SIM here, right side of right side portion. The sponsor is your account number 2, and then the upline is SIM also. The upline is where would you like to connect. Okay, and then proceed. After that, okay, then it will back to dashboard again. Back to dashboard. Okay, okay. Now let's check. Oh, you got it, partner. Now let's check here. 280, 590, 280. Why is it 280? Huh? 590, 606. Oh, 590. Just check. 590, 606. Why is it 280? Due to genealogy. 596, 606. 590, 606. What's number this one? 590, 606. Your number 2. Account number 2. This is your account number 2. Why 280? Because this one direct referral 140 and then 140. 280. To direct referral. Go to dashboard. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Oh, and then match sales, their sales, match sales bonus. Oh, before 280, right? We will save to before because we cannot refresh it. After refreshing, then it will change here 385 because before 280, 280, let's proceed. This one, right? 59606, but the genealogy 59606. This one, right? Before 280 because this one 140k na is direct 140k na. This one the sponsor of your two accounts. Then it will match. It will match here. One from the left and one from the right. You see here? One from the left, one from the right. You have match sales bonus of 105 kina. So that's why it will become 280, 140 plus 140, 280 plus 105 equals 385. That's why it become 385. Now let's proceed to your sixth account. This will be completed 7 accounts here. Because this is you first, your second, third, fourth, fifth. Number 7 is already occupied. And now let's proceed. Number 6. Click here. Click register. But just remember first. Just remember first. Where this one? Where fortune this one? This one is below your account number 3. Goes first. This one account number 3. What's the user ID of account number 3? This one PG. We copy this one. Account number 3. Copy. Here we put here right side. Right? Account number 3 right side. Okay, register. After that, same before. This one, add to my existing account. Not right side. By the way, sorry. Left side. Here, left side, this one, not right. Upline. The upline is this one. Account number 3, Fiji 34. See this one here below. Okay. Number 3. This one, like here. PG 340106. Or left side. Left side, sorry. Left side, click here. Click, then register account. After that, just a moment, it will read. Then after that, add to my existing account. This for adding your account. After that, this one, we will make the sponsor your account number 3 also. Right? We just copy, right? Account number 3 or be the sponsor. And then the upline. Copy. This is the sponsor. This one, PG40. And then also the upline in left side. Put in the left side. Add to existing account. Next. And then, okay. Now, it's okay now. Page 140, right? Oh, then the sponsor. This is the sponsor also. Control V. Page 340106. The left, right? The left. So you can't edit it, guys. Okay. Then the user ID, same before the user ID. Where's it? This one, the last. PG941101. PG941101. PG 941101. PG 941101. Then the security pin G5. This one 0. Not 0 O. G5OX. G5OX. OX. And RI. I. SV. SVDL. Okay. Oh. G5O